Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to do the direct delivery process. This is a process where we do direct creation of delivery receipt. So we don't create sales order, we do not create quotation first. So we are going to directly deliver it and create a dispatch note. So for this one, we are going to log in to our back office and tap the sales module. Next, we are going to select direct delivery here and then select your customer. Once again, if you wanted to search your customer, just tap the spacebar key in your keyboard and select your customer. So I have my sample customer, Maria Emilia Galvez. Here, I am going to input the products that she wants to order. So I have here my item testing one. She wants 20 of that one. And then another, and then so on and so forth. You may always add more top item, add more, and top item, and add more. So we have here the shipping charges. I'm going to charge her 250, and then we can now double check the delivery from the invoice before. There is a calendar method where you can actually change, and then you also have an option to input the contact number, the customer reference, if there is comments, if there is for your referencing. Also, double check the price list here if there are special prices that you want to implement, and then the delivery date, when will we dispatch this specific item. Once you're good to go, just place delivery. Automatically, this will create an A4 size or document type of delivery note or delivery receipt. And as you can see, this has all the necessary details that we need, like the details of the store, details of the customer, the quantity, the item, the price and discount if there is, and the total amount. This also includes VAT breakdowns if your customer have VAT values in their profile. So that is how we do our delivery receipt creation or direct delivery process.